Hey everyone, I'm Jill and this is YesterKitchen. Today we're going to go to the 1970s and explore the Brandied Blue Cheese spread. What is it? Let's find out. You're going to love it. So today we're going to add something to our retro classic cocktail party playlist. We're going to go blue cheese, we're going to go cream cheese. It's going to be fabulous. Let's get started. So we've got our happy little bowl here, and this is just so easy, it's going to go together in minutes. We have an 8-ounce block of cream cheese. You want this softened, and it goes. Get rid of the mess. And then we want 8 ounces of blue cheese. It has to be chopped up, but it doesn't have to be finely chopped because we're going to blend it anyway, so we'll be fine. And then to that, we have a 1/4 cup or a 1/2 stick of butter. I don't mean I mean like it's the same measurement. And that's really it. So, well, that's not it, but we're gonna get that going. So I've got my little old school beater here, and we're just gonna blend this up. You're just gonna keep going until it's all nice and blended. So it's pretty smooth. It doesn't need to be perfectly smooth because it is a spread, it's not a dip. Peeling off our beaters a little bit. Kind of get everything back into the middle. Okay, so now what you're gonna do is you're gonna add 1 tablespoon of brandy because it is the 70s after all, and we love cooking with alcohol. We're gonna add 1 tablespoon of finely chopped chives and 1/4 cup of chopped black olives. I actually chopped them myself, but feel free to buy the chopped kind. And then you want to just kind of stir it around and get everything all happy and merry together. And guess what? You're done. You just have one tiny thing to do besides lick my fingers. Okay, so we're going to take a cute little bowl, a little serving bowl, and we are going to put our cheese mixture into here. I mean, cocktail parties in the 70s, they were everything. And the more appetizers, the better. But remember, the main thing about a 70s cocktail party is you want something that's good finger food, so you can hold your drink in one hand and your appetizer in the other. So the last thing we're gonna do is we're gonna top this with a 1/4 cup of chopped toasted almonds. You really wanna toast your almonds because it just brings out so much more flavor. All you do is take almonds, chop them up really fine, just like that. Stick them in a dry pan, about medium-high heat. Start about 3 to 5 minutes, let them go. Then babysit them because they will go brown to burn like that. Mine took about almost 10 minutes. So, I mean, it takes a while, but babysit your almonds. But look at that. They're nice and golden brown, and that's what you want. And now we're gonna just put, whatever looks good, right on top. Oops, I've got almonds everywhere. And then you're gonna put it in the refrigerator for maybe about an hour at the least. You can let it sit for a while, but give it an hour so all those flavors kind of get in there and get all happy together. And then we're gonna bring in Melba Toast. What is Melba Toast? Well, it's like it was a loaf of bread, they sliced it, and then they baked it again, so it's super crunchy. So after your hour, put it out for your party. Your guests will love it. So you can use any cracker you like, but just make sure it's a sturdy cracker because this is a spread, it's not a dip, and you want something that's gonna hold up. Potato chips probably wouldn't go well with this. You want something solid. And look at that. Just take your happy little spread on your happy little toast, and you've got some magic. So this is just a fabulous dish. Don't be scared of blue cheese. Blue cheese is your friend. If you would like to explore more dishes from your childhood or just the past, I invite you to subscribe. I release new videos every Friday. In the meantime, here's some more retro dishes for you. And remember, every dish has a story. I'll see you in the next video.